facts with marbles.
Dance.
Science facts with marbles. Hey, hey.
Hey kids, Professor Marbles here with a bunch more science facts for you. Let's get to it. Woo! One fluid motion. Moons do not produce their own light. That's a fun one. The moon, our moon, we have the Earth, and then the moon, and whenever the sun hits the light, the moon is reflecting the light from the sun. So the sun is like shooting the light this way, and we see through it, or we see the light reflected from the moon. That's what we see if it's night, because the sun's over here. And if the face of the Earth, I got this, I'm using real science words.
Oh yeah, no, for sure, but...
Hang on, I got this. Okay, hang on. If the Earth is here, and the moon is here, and we're on this side of the Earth, and the sun is over here shining this way, it's night for us, because the sun isn't,
No, what? No.
the sun's not hitting us. But the light passes over the top of the Earth, because the Earth is smaller than the sun, so the sun is very big, and it shoots past the Earth, and it hits the moon. The moon is reflecting light from the sun. And that's why, depending on where the moon is, how much sun passes from over the top of the Earth, the moon will look like this. It'll be like a crescent because of the shape of the Earth. That's why sometimes the moon has like a curve out of it, because it's part of the Earth blocking the sun from reflecting off of the moon. That's science. That's like 12 science facts right there. Ask your friends and your teachers. Science! Thanks for watching, kids. Remember to always look for the science around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with more science facts.